In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop ClickUp email notifications. If you've been using ClickUp to manage your tasks and projects, you might have noticed a steady stream of email notifications filling up your inbox. While these can be helpful, there comes a point where they might feel overwhelming or unnecessary, especially if you're already checking your ClickUp workspace regularly. Luckily, turning off email notifications is a quick and easy process. Let me guide you step by step to get this done so you can regain control of your inbox. First, start by navigating to your ClickUp workspace. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for managing your account. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings page, where you can customize various aspects of your ClickUp experience. Once you're on the Settings page, look for the section labeled Notifications. You'll find it listed in the menu. Click on it to open the Notifications panel. Now that you're in the Notifications section, locate the option called Email Notifications. This is where we'll make the change. Once you've found it, you'll notice a toggle switch or a checkbox next to the label that says Enable Email Notifications. If the toggle is switched on or the checkbox is checked, it means email notifications are currently enabled. To turn them off, simply click the toggle to switch it off, or uncheck the checkbox. This action immediately disables email notifications, so you won't receive them anymore. Once you've made the change, wait a few seconds to let the system process your update. To ensure everything is set, you can also refresh the page and double-check that the email notifications option remains turned off. And that's it. You've successfully stopped ClickUp email notifications from cluttering your inbox. If you don't already have a ClickUp account and you'd like to explore its powerful project management features, you can use the link in the description to sign up. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.